Hi everyone, my name is Ritika Jaiswal. I am from the PGDM batch 2023 to 25. I am thrilled to announce that I have been placed in Bluevine as a relationship manager with a package of 9 LPA. My journey with GIBS has been incredible, where I have not only gained theoretical knowledge but also practical knowledge in the form of IRE, which is Innovation Research and Entrepreneurship, where we have developed a business from scratch. And also CPMP has been a life-changing opportunity for me, where I have not only gained knowledge and also I have got to know what are the things I'm lacking behind, like soft skills, personal attitude, body language. All these things have made me corporate ready. Also, I would like to thank my academic professor who have been not only there for me in my academics but also helped me to gain all sort of knowledge which is helpful for me to gain in corporate and also be corporate ready. I would like to thank everyone to be there in my success journey. Thank you.